story of Noah's Ark, where you can find the verse of Noah's Ark is Genesis 6-9. So, now I'm going to tell the story. One time there's a name called Noah. He was a friend of God. But after Adam and Eve sinned, there was a lot of people in the world. But they started doing bad things. Girls and girls married, boys and boys married, and God was not unpleased with them. He was mad with them. But there was one person that was good and righteous and was God's friend. He was Noah, and his family was good and righteous also. And then one time, God told Noah to build a big ark. Then Noah started right away. He made the big boat with his family. When Noah was building the ark, people said, why is this man? He's so crazy. It was not raining for a lot of days. He's crazy, said the people. But Noah didn't care. He kept working. He got some trees cut down and he made the boat. After he made the boat, God sent the animals to go in the ark. The unclean animals, 1 pair, and the clean animals, 7 pairs. And then the animals didn't fight. They was careful with each other and never hurt. The rain started coming down. Even the highest mountains were disappeared, and the people was all swept away, all died. But Noah's family was safe and warm inside the ark. So boys and girls, Noah and his family obeyed God. So Noah and his family was safe, but the others swept away and died. If you believe God and obey God, you can go to heaven with Him and live a happy life with Him and play with the animals and sing and play with people too and children. And you can play with grown-ups too. So boys and girls, have faith and be kind and trust in God. And don't marriage girls and girls and boys. Marriage boy and a girl. And be honest and tell the truth. And if you're a bad danger, pray to God. So God will answer your prayers and protect you from danger. So boys and girls, that's all the time for today. God bless you. Bye. Tuna ay banggen tening mo. Katang chuka gending pen no what tang chu hi. Lai shang toa na mu na et wam le. Bian jil gopam kwa om hi. Sun tang chung gening mo. Havila Noah akichi ha om hi. Adam li Eve. Amo hijanga mite same hi. Amao nume hong kit tem. Basal hong kit tem got mang hi. Bashanin to de lo ama het ma ina ahang mi hat atumang ha om hi. Noah amin pen Noah hi. Bashanin Noah kyanga kan lấy tung túi tu sọp ninh hi túi chin sắc ninh hi chin à basha ni no kyang a tempo ball chin à Noah in temple ball hi mi den nui son này chị mà chẳng quang du kein ta chị đã nui son hi ta hết chẳng Noah in temple ball hết chẳng bà shan in gunning te temple sunga pai sakhi gunning asyang low te kop hat gunning asyang te kop sagi ta hết chẳng bà shan in Noah kya nga na da in kwan temple sunga pai sak oh china Noah in kwan temple sunga pai sak hi ta hết chẳng ba ứng du mua té rong mua té rong cô mà té ông kim lâu khi sinh cung té rong mi té avec si hin ta hi ahang Noah ale in kwan in kwa tempo sunga khoai ta ga omina chỉ đó mình nào bác mạ chỉ lô swak tay nè silo khoai ta ga ai zong pashan ichu mang le ai bác mạ chỉ lô ding ai silo ding ai swak ta ding no at dana ai swak ta ding tu ni na khoai lô te hi cây ni bài ni nu mày kiteng cây ni pasal kiteng cây ni Noah dana ni chumang ni pasyan anong ungchi tehi ni tuna atot na dinga lang sa ningay